see them flying free. That's just like you and me. Everyone is lonely sometimes, but I would walk 1,000 miles to see you rise.
Your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seat. You may dispose this in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind.
Welcome to Manila.
Headed by your private crew captain Rob, First Officer Salem, together with your cabin crew. We have
Manila nagyo. Kami.